So I'm in love with Jamaica winter, and I'll tell you why. Because when it comes to skin and hair care, usually on this show, we usually focus on women. But Tamika Brown said, no. She wanted to focus on I this morning, and she's here to show us and tell us why she wants to focus on I. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica, the great times.
Thank you.
You were telling me an interesting story, why you started this business.
Right.
Tell me why.
I lost my thyroid in both thyroid glands in 2016, and the medicine, as a result of that, I lost my hair, my skin became scaly. I also gained a ton of weight too, because that is what the medicine does. Hypothyroidism. Patients who have hypothyroidism, and so I have embarked on this natural journey. The only thing I have not made for myself yet is toothpaste, and I have the recipe for that.
Okay, you said it does, so you're still struggling with that, or?
Yeah, because I have to take levothyroxine to regulate my hormones.
So if you stop using these natural products, you will?
I won't have any hair.
Wow.
So yes.
How did you know about that? How did you know that if you did this, then it would stop?
It was divine inspiration, actually. I went to bed and the Lord gave it to me. And I, just like that, I never had any inclination prior to that. And I got up and I wrote the things down, and I found a supplier, and this is where, because I tried everything and it never worked.
So all this is you? All this is your idea, your head. These are, the soaps are for what? Face, bathing, you can do what? Anything with any of them? Or
yes.
Are they specific to face, specific to something else?
So I make like smoothie bars for the face. The stuff that we drink as smoothie, I take them and make them in soaps like these. Just tell me about a couple. Just take, like the quinoa.
Hold it up like that, the camera will catch it. So that one is?
The quinoa smoothie bar is a facial bar. And quinoa, it moisturizes the skin.
So that's facial?
Facial.
Come again.
And this is hibiscus banana, the same thing too.
Facial. So when you say facial, you mustn't bathe with it. I'm being serious here. It's just the face alone.
No. These were customized just for your face with all the oils and stuff.
Here?
Oh, this is like a loofah scrub to exfoliate your body.
So this is body thing,
body.
Face alone. This fella, turmeric.
So turmeric, you can go face and body. And my banana skin soap, that is strictly for your face.
Strictly for face. Does it say on the package what you're supposed to use?
Oh, yes. All the information is on our website.
Stupid question. What if I use one for my face and my body? What will happen?
No, nothing. It's just that I customize each bar.
Okay, specific.
Yes, because you have specific oils that will give you benefits.
This fella?
That fella over there is moisturizer that men, oftentimes men feel as though they don't need to moisturize them skin.
So we're going like with tough.
Yes, cotton writers on. Yes, always kind of ashy.
Yeah.
Yes, so that we take care. No, not levels. Just so you know,
so
not
this
levels.
will take care of that.
Yes, that.
So
will
you
take
just rub it on. What?
Yes, yeah, and it has like shea butter, cocoa butter.
No, but what you do? Like you use it as a lotion?
Yes, you use it as a lotion.
Okay, this fella is
and it's the same thing. Yes.
This guy here.
So that is like a foaming cleanser. So never to keep your face looking just as how it is, you have to use that, and the honey will take care of all the gunk underneath the skin.
So again, how is it used? Morning, noon, night, every time you wash your face?
Yes, it's natural. It's just honey and
so like we wear a lot of makeup. I mean, very serious. We wear a lot of makeup, and obviously you see me on television a lot, and every time you see me, I have makeup on. What do you suggest that would not cause any problems on the face?
So I suggest that after makeup, when you're removing it, use a light oil like coconut oil or
wipe it off
to clean it off.
And then you wash it?
And then you will wash your face.
Anything specific
so
here would help?
This would be, yes, and then you moisturize.
What's this guy here?
That is my natural deodorant. You don't smell anything, right? That means there's something not going good.
It have a little smell still.
No, may I talk with me, smell.
With you?
Yes.
No, man.
Okay.
No, actually smell something. You smell nice.
Hi, Chuck.
You smell nice.
Tongues.
This is what?
Yeah, so that's a natural deodorant. The base of that is coconut oil because it's antibacterial.
But it smells like lemongrass.
Yes, and there's lemongrass and rosemary, and those are antibacterial oils.
Then cat and people now go around me down when them smell the lemongrass. Go to eat lemongrass. Tease me. I like that. This fella here.
So it's vitamin C. Men think they don't need to wear vitamin C.
Wear it?
Yes, it's a serum. We all need vitamin C.
So how you use it? You
so
just take a couple of drops?
Not drink it. You're going to put it in your hand, a couple drops in your hand, and you go into your face and your neck and the back of your neck.
You know, you just talk to me like me done so well.
No, man, no.
You say not drink it, you just put it in your hand like all if you say is your dunce, but this?
So this is
moisturizing
yeah, it's a shower gel. Men can use, yes.
These fellas back here.
So
now,
these are like
this
is like a face moisturizer. So you have to moisturize your skin. It is very, very important.
So when you do it when you're going to bed morning. What you do?
So you moisturize twice a day. My husband, Lord, him run through them, because
so
it takes
smooth,
smooth body. But you know, men have to take. Men must take better care of their skin.
What's his name?
His name is Miguel Brown.
Miguel, I want some bees running on your seat. Why if I go like a wicked and the whole of it. Over here now, finally, tell me about
this. Okay, so this is just like a body gloss. Maybe
what is a body gloss?
Body gloss is like an oil. So
you look smooth when you put it on.
So this is best used when you get out of the shower and you're moist. So you know the skin, the largest organ, so oils are easily absorbed. So I just put some calendula and rose petals in there, so it infuses, so the natural.
I like it, man.
So you get the natural. Smell it, no man. What neat.
And the second person come on TV, you bully me, you know.
No, take off the top.
Me know when me finish, you bully me again like
all right.
Guns.
Sorry, but me keep quiet.
Mr. Miguel there. I like it.
Yes, so the natural botanicals infuses in the oil, and it gets better with age. So
I like it. This must take a lot of research in a serious way to ensure.
Yes. So what I do.
Tell me about this fella yet?
No, this is coconut milk and.
So you drink that?
No, this is a shampoo, but we put the coconut milk in there. We not drink nothing right as a level. We're not drinking that tea right as a today.
I like how you go from the standard English to the wonderful Atoys. I love it. All right, so where can you be found?
Hisessence.com. We'll be in Jamaica soon. H-I-Z, yeah. Essence.
At the start, in a very serious way, I said these are for men. Can women use it?
Oh yeah, these are all, anybody can use them.
But by the way, I didn't ask that question. Why you want to do it for men though?
Because men tend to neglect their skin and their hair, and they do have same skin like women. So it is very important for y'all to take care of your skin.
Y'all
sound
like you just come from southern Alabama.
I can't do nothing for pleasing or true. I can't win.
I sing a shit back to the patter. I love it. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I pray that everything will work for you. And,
yes.
And what, you're looking for a physical space, or are you just going to do it online?
I am looking for, I've spoken it into the atmosphere. I'm looking for a physical space before the end of the year.
But could you not get your stuff in stores? Could you not?
I am exploring that too. Essentially, I just want to have my own thing where you could come in and get whatever you need and, you know, get
Final
guidance.
question. Give me an idea just the cost, like the soap.
Like the soap bars, and these are sample bars. Yeah. The soap bars will cost like $5 each.
5 Jamaican, may buy the whole of them. Come now. 5 Jamaican.
Nobody the full Inish. So.
Hold on, when you say sample bars, so then you can be with?
Meaning that they're not the actual sizes. Because, yes, each bar will weigh about 4. Yeah.
So give me an idea. How much?
$5.
$5.
Yeah.
Then give me Jamaican money now. About 700 Jamaican dollars.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
What's that? Me work it out. She really mean to say 5 Jamaican because she try to help out everybody. There you could find her on Instagram at hisessence.com. Owner of His Essence, Tamika Brown. Great to see you. Very impressed. Hurry up and come back with stuff. But soon come. We have more music, and we still have a lot more because we go up until 8:30. All right? And you can see the time. It's 11 minutes after. Stay with us, please.